ghetto butterfly flew away from me. I wait patiently by windows and doorsteps, play make-believe as my tears pour chest. Won't succeed to breathe if not the air of you. Surely there's never been a shade so blue, a stank attitude so not mad at you. Not a magnitude to encompass the latitude of my love for you. No space or time compatible. What do I have to do? What do I have to do? Ooh, my friends say I got it bad for you. I do, but there's nothing in this world I'd rather do but you. I want to make love to your existence, drenched in the colors of your energy, then masturbate to the memories. I want to lose myself inside yourself until you find me, confine me to the freedom of your prison existing. If love had a sound, you know, this would be that sound. And we would be the band to play it.